Oya me cook. Your jug, onions, green peas, carrots, green pepper, sausage 1. Cover it, blend it, open it. Oh my Jesus, pour it out. Okay, so sausage 1, sausage 2, boiling water, spaghetti, 𝙃𝙃 plantain, knife, dice it, shara. Okay, your pepper, your extra bowl, egg, key the egg. Okay, ready. Yeah, boil. Your banga oil, because this food is a banger. Okay, sorry about that. Moving on. Pour your pepper inside. Shh. Okay, add curry, add thyme, because time is of the sorry. Add your Maggi, add your salt. Yeah, the salt of the world. Stir it. You feel am? Add your carrot and everything. Pour everything. Oh yeah, stir it, mix it like a DJ.
Are you playing?
Okay.
What type of playing is this?
Add your extra sausage. Pour water. Oh yeah, put your egg. Oh yeah, stir it. 𝙃𝙃𝙊𝙃𝙊𝙧𝙞. Stir it, turn it. Oh my Jesus. What a bachelor husband material. Okay, open it. Now pour your sauce. Now only you who know the sauce.
This is plain.
2, pour everything. Don't mess it, pour it. Okay, now let's stir it. Stir fry, no pass this one. Stir it very well. Oh my Jesus, cover it. Let it steam. Now pour your oil. Now we want to fry our banana and our plantain. Now pour your plantain. Turn it. Don't go and be doing burnt offering.
Come
Turn
on
it.
now,
Oh
dog.
my Jesus, perfect fry. Turn it. Oh my Jesus, pick 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop. Okay, our plantain is ready now. Let's have it. Plate. Fake. Oh my God. 7, 1, 2. Add more. Chop this life before it chop you, or before next of kin chop her.
You be mumu. You think say they wise?
10 plantain, also known as dodo. Yes. Okay. Put animal. Animal 1, animal 2. Your water, your wine cup. Oh my Jesus, what a bachelor. Bachelor 𝙊𝙯𝙀𝙊𝙀𝙀. Thanks for watching. God bless you.
Bye-bye.
Follow me for more cooking tips and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.